Disconnect this machine. Okay. Have anyone tried with this? Hello?
Just somebody's talking.
Imran,
Yes, sir.
did you try it with any shell script?
No, not really.
Why?
I mean, I usually do it in the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. And also, sir, you did not upload the shell scripting, which we were telling yesterday. No?
I uploaded in all files.
You uploaded it in the notepad only.
No. I uploaded in all files section.
No, in Azure DevOps, there is no all files. So there is one folder called Azure DevOps, right?
What files do we have for admin?
No, it's out of everything. All files means whatever we will be doing, admin, DevOps, everything, will all the files will be in this all file section. See, in the all file section, we
Okay.
have a shell scripting.
Scripting, yeah.
Yeah, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah, inside the shell scripting, we have scripts.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Yeah. No worries, please try this week. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's anyways tomorrow we don't have class, right?
Yeah, tomorrow we don't have the class.
Yeah. So Saturday, Sunday I have planned to do this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, today I was in the hospital for 3 hours, so that's why I didn't do.
Okay.
I just installed the new Linux.
Okay.
So I'm
You
gonna try
created
it out.
some Linux machine?
Yeah, because I somehow have my code keeps freezing, so it didn't work. So I deleted it and then I did it again
Okay.
until I buy a new laptop.
Okay. So, like, write a shell script to perform all the arithmetic operations of any two given numbers. Pass two numbers with file name. This shell script like can be written as two types. Like, even you can pass command line argument, or either you can do this script with the read command. Okay, so for doing it with command line argument, so notations and symbols, how to like represent the command line argument in a shell script. Like $1 will be the first argument, $2 will be the second argument. Okay, then echo $1 will give the argument value. Echo $2 argument value. Then whatever the argument you want to display, 10th argument, then number of arguments, all these things. Just follow these things. Okay. If you will do it with command line argument, and then if you want to do it with read, simple read command, like please pass two numbers, then read two numbers, so it will read the numbers. Mhm. Let me share. Like if you, for that shell script, if you want to read the numbers, okay, so like this, you can read number one, number two. If you give this, As of now, it will show you, like, because we have not used expr. Okay, so using read command, see, read number 1, number 2. So when you will take this as number, numb, it will read the numerals. Okay, whatever numerals you will give, it will read out number 1, number 2.
Mhm.
If you will not give this, it can read anything. Like if you give name, so it will take name as a name variable. Okay, since we are giving number, so it is reading out that as it will read out the integers and all. Okay, but here it will not add like this. It will just show a result like this. If you want to get the result out of this, then you have to, what you have to do, expr. You have to use expr, the arithmetic operator basically, which we have seen here. These ones.
Mhm.
Okay, so just perform like reading of two numbers and then give these operators. After it will take the two numbers and then it will perform the operation.
Mhm.
Oh, read command. Yesterday we were saying how to use the read command and use a variable as an array. So read -a. Now in this, whatever you will give, it will take as one array. Okay. So here if you written echo, please enter DevOps tools, and then you close it, and then it will, as since there is a read command, this will be coming here. Please enter DevOps tools and then read -a DevOps tools. Now it will be, you will be giving all the name of the DevOps tools and then echo DevOps tools you entered. Now here it will read out the DevOps tools accordingly. Like if you want to read all the tools which you have given, then you can use the variable name and you can use a star with it, like dollar and then DevOps tools, DevOps tools. And if you write, if you use asterisk over here, it will read out all the arrays. It will read out all the arrays, like whatever you will give in the DevOps tools, Git, GitHub, Maven, whatever you will give, it will read all the arrays. But so with the above expression, it will read all the DevOps tools as arrays. Now, if you do like this, for example, 3. With the above expression, it will read third array. Or third DevOps tool. So here when you give read DevOps tools, so providing input to the console. Example, Git, GitHub, Maven, Tomcat, Docker, Kubernetes. All these are DevOps tools I entered. And how this will act like is the first is the 0th array. Then this will be the first one, like this. Then this will be the second one. Then this will be the third one. This will be the fourth one. This will be the fifth one. Now it is clear, I think.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yeah. What if I want to store output of any script? Store errors of any shell script. Example, say argument script dot sh. For argument dot sh. What you will do? Run the script sh argument dot sh. Now here you will be passing two arguments like argument 1 and argument 2. Argument 2. And then how you will store? Like you will write 2 here. So 2 is the signal for taking the logs of errors. Okay. So when we will give 2, it whatever the errors will be there, it will be take the error log. And when I'm putting this sign, this greater than, what it will do? It will create a file error.log. And if you want the output, then use 1. So 1 will be signal for output.log. It will
These values 1 and 2 are already predefined in the
yes, predefined in this.
operating.
Yes.
Okay.
So note, use this error.log to store errors in a file use 1 output.log to store output in a file, and if you use 2 is greater than sign and 1 at the same time, if you use this, it will store errors and output in the same file. So let's see. We have argument.sh or command line argument at 05 dot sh. Let's see this. Okay. Now we have to give here the command line arguments. So we'll run it like this. 05 Command line args. So now see we are giving three inputs here. So say db name, db location, and db size. Three command line arguments we have given. Now what we have to do, we have to take the error and the output. Let's write this and then this, and where is the end? Now if you want to give any output file name, you can also give that. Okay.
Permission denied. You have to give the permission.
Hmm. Command line arguments.
Should we create that file, Abhishek?
Pardon?
Output.log we should create.
That's what I'm. Let's see this. This script was working 2 days before. Why it was not? Number of arguments. If this is this, if this, please pass the argument. If I pass three arguments like storage, location, size, it is working. was the same script. Again, it is working. It should work here also. I'm passing, I want the output. So hmm. Do we got any log file here? Can you see output.log?
Yeah,
Yes.
under the hello.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
So output.log. So whatever we have written in echo, okay, like please pass three command line arguments. All the things will be coming in the output.log. Okay, if we do with arithmetic operations, like what was the 0, 8. So like this, okay. So let's do 0, 8 space and then 2. Now let's see. Now what will happen? It will update the output in the same file only. Okay. So for this purpose, like either you have to give some other path for the output log, or you have to delete or move that other file or rename that other file output.log. Otherwise, like this is the default log file output.log. Always it will update in that file. So for different commands, what you have to do. So if you are running some shell script and you have an output in the output.log, later on what you do, before running any other shell script, just rename that output.log, so that if you are running another shell script, freshly it will store or it will create a new file called output.log, because output.log is by default it creates. Now let's go to control statement. Now what are the control statements? What do you mean by control statement?
If else switch,
Pardon?
if else
Yes.
or switch statement kind.
Yes. So when you control the output of your script based on some condition. Based on some condition. That is control statement. So if, now what you have to give here? Condition. After giving the condition, say loop will start here.
Then
Then there will be some statements. Okay. Statements. Will close. So if this condition, there is a condition, then do this. If there is a condition, then do this. Else. Then again there are statements after this.
Took that in Python yesterday.
Pardon?
I took the function in Python yesterday.
Yes.
If else.
Yes. Now this above case is with different languages. This is the condition you follow with different languages. Okay. But in shell script, how you do it? If big bracket open, space, condition, again space, main bracket closed. So here you will not be using any curly braces. Like if this, then statements. Else, again statements. And how you do it? No curly braces. Fi. Just reverse of if. So in shell script, you will do like this. So this is for above cases in different languages. Okay. Example, C, C++, or others also. But in shell script, you will do it like this. So note, no brackets or curly braces in shell script control statement. Also, leave spaces while giving conditions. Okay, so this way you have to follow. Now example, there is a shell script. Example. If there are two numbers like A equals 10, B equals 20, print the bigger number. What condition will be there? So if, again open the big brackets, space. Now A means my variable $A is greater than $B, second number. Then again space, bracket close. Then what? Statement will be coming. Echo $A is bigger than $B. Else $A is smaller than $B. And then statement will be closed. So you can give it here. A equals 10, B equals 20. If you run this, PI and control statement. Okay, so control statement dot sh. Escape WQ exit chmod u plus x control statement sh. Given the permission, now running the control statement dot sh. See what it is printing? 10 is smaller than 20. So according like we have given A equals 10, B is equals to 20. If $A is greater than $B, then print A is bigger than B, else A is smaller than B. So since A was smaller than B, it printed the else statement. 10 is smaller than B. That is a control statement.
What is the Fi?
Pardon?
Last sentence.
FI?
Closing bracket, I mean, reverse of if.
Yeah. Actually, like as you perform in other languages, like if then open brackets, right? Else other statement and closing brackets. Similarly, here we don't
Correct.
use curly braces. We use fi. Okay, just reverse of if. So closing statement will be fi. Okay.
Got it.
Abhishek, for that log files, right?
Mhm.
Can we have our own file names or it is not possible?
Yes, yes, you can give your own file names.
How is that syntax for that?
Just after that, here you can write whenever you will give like this. So if you are
Okay.
getting the output, you can write that like this.
Okay, our own log file we can mention.
Yes,
Okay.
output one.log or two.log like this.
Okay, done.
Okay. So this is a control statement. Now, after this, there is one more nested if else statement. Nested if else. What is nested if else?
If one condition satisfies, again it will check for some other if nested ifs. If
Yes.
else if.
So, example, like A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, C is equals to 30. Now here it will like this, if, then bracket open, space, and then there will be a bracket again here, small one. Now $A is greater than $B. Now here we will be using and ampersand 2 times. Means here in the nested if else we are getting two conditions at once. If $A is greater than $B and $A is also greater than $C. There will be closing the small one, then space, closing the big one. Then echo $A is bigger than $B and $C. Else if, again there will be a condition. Now here just will be changing B is greater than A or B is greater than C. Second condition. Then echo $B is greater than $A and $B. Sorry, $C. Now the third condition will be else here. Else. Got it? Nested if else. So if this condition, then this, else if this condition, then this, else this. So two conditions in one only. So this is nested if else. Same, no difference. Just added one else if in between. And since there are three variables, so three, two condition at once. If A is greater than B or A is greater than C, then A is bigger. Else if B is greater than A or B is greater than C, then B is bigger. Else C is bigger. Simple. Now let's see loops. So how we do in other languages? For loop, for example. Now what will be the case? Initiation. Then what? After initiation, condition. And after condition, what? Increment. Increment or decrement. And then you have curly braces. Then you have statements. And then the closed. So this we follow in other languages, right? What do we do in shell scripting? In shell script, for now same thing we follow, no big brackets or something. Now here no curly braces, just do, and then the statements will be there. And then at last you have done. This is in shell script for loops. So example, write a shell script to print numbers from say 1 to 5. Or just simple like echo for loop example starts. Now what? For condition. So I equals 1, that is initiation. Then what is condition? We want numbers 1 to 5. What will be the condition?
He is less than 5, less than or equal to 5.
Less than equal.
Less than equal 5.
Yeah.
Okay. And what will be at last?
I plus plus.
Yes. Now in shell script, you have to leave spaces here. It is not with other languages. You have to leave spaces here with the shell script. And what will you do here in the statement section?
Echo.
Echo and print the value.
Echo or expression.
Pardon?
Yeah, you can use expression also. I mean, like something. Expression of I plus 1 or something like that.
It will be printing the value, na? What is the value? I, right?
Yes. Yes.
And then you can have some echo statement here as well. Like this. Maybe here in shell script, we have to use 2 brackets. Let's see if this works. So vi for loop .sh insert paste escape wq hmod, then for loop given the permission for loop. Can you see? Printed 1 to 5.
Yeah.
Similarly, if you want to do it like printing reverse or something like 5 to 1 or something. So initiation will be 5 and what else?
Condition will be I is less than
Yeah.
0.
Yeah, here will be
So-
starting from 5 and I is equal to 0.
Greater than,
Less
yeah,
than.
equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0.
I should be greater than, yes. Okay. So,
Yeah.
and then I minus minus.
Minus.
Okay, so it will be printing in reverse. So like this. So this is a for loop. Here I can give a question or homework type. With here also I have one homework. Write 3 shell scripts check whether files have read, write, and execute permission. So one is this and other one is this. Now coming to the while loop. While loop. When we talk about while loop, so first thing is initialization. While, and then comes the condition. And then curly braces open, some statements, increment, decrement, close. So above case in the other languages, if we do in shell script, it will be initialization, then while, and space, then big bracket, then space, then condition, space, close, then do, will be the statements here. Then this, and after this is done. That is the case in shell script. Now if we use same script like so echo samples and then I is equals to 1, and while space bracket space $i less equals 5, space bracket close, echo $i then I plus plus Done. Echo while example completed. Let's see this. So if I do vi while loop not sh insert print chmod permissions u plus x while loop enter. Let's see if it runs while loop. Line 6 syntax error near x1. Okay, wait. The issue echo while loop starts I is equals to 1 while condition echo I plus plus.
Do statement is missing. Do.
Yes, correct.
No done statement.
So done is there. Do, then after finishing, it will be done, right?
Yes. So vi while. Yes, that's what it is showing in red. You don't have a do statement over there. So here it would be a after the condition. No, sorry, condition and then while statement and then do. Here it will be do, right?
Right.
Now it is okay. Command not found.
Unlimited loop, maybe exit statement something.
Hmm. Such line 6 I plus plus command not found. Okay, wait. I plus plus command not found. Why it is show?
Maybe after done, it should come.
We are missing this.
Oh.
Okay.
Abhishek, I is equal to 1 also. There also we need.
Yeah, but in that case, it will not take I is equals to I plus 1. Then you have to write it differently.
Okay, I plus 1 because equal to is not there. This should have that end, right.
You can write this. Okay.
In that I is equal to 1,
Or you can write
I is equal to I plus 1.
I is equals to. Now here you have to write like this. EXPR. Then $I and then plus and then 1 and then you have to close it. So you can either do I plus plus, or you can do I is equals to expr $I plus 1. Since see I, it will not recognize. Why? Because I is a variable, right?
Mm.
Yeah, integer variable. So it will not recognize I. You have to do $I. And since you cannot do I is equals to $I plus 1 directly, it will not take the expression. So you have to use what? That addition expression, EXPR, arithmetic operator, $1 plus 1, $I plus 1. So either you can do this or you can do this. So here, now let's see if it runs. No, it is not. Oh, we have given double colon or what? No, not given. It is not taking. I plus plus. Let's see. I equals expr $I plus not should run. Line 6, I come on, not found. Issue. Wait, let's see the script. There will be a script over there. Script. What is the while script? While loop. A is equals to 0, initialized, while A is less than 10. This is a different script, but yeah, still. It's the same script. While loop, only one script. $A. Now A is equals to, okay, no space there. Do, then this. While I equals to EXPR dollar I plus 1 1 like this. Condition, then while the condition, then while statement we have, and the while statement dollar, like, okay, less than equal 5, then do, then echo $A $1, that is okay. A is expression, A will be a space plus 1. So space here.
Space need to give an
Yes, that's what issue of the space is only. Space $I, then space, then space.
it will work now.
Pardon?
Now it will work.
Okay. Let's see. Too many arguments, so is not incrementing. Or it is working but not incrementing. Um, this one, what this says. If you press double D, After coming out of insert, it will delete the lines. You can press insert. Let's copy from here. Let's paste it. Impressive. What is doing it? I think we were not following the syntax or what, like spacing and all. Huh?
Yes, you are right.
Now if you delete this.
Previously, that expression also was in red color, Abhishek.
Yes.
I mean, entire that's equal to that statement is there, no?
Yes.
That complete was that in red only.
Now here in place of less than, we can give what?
Greater than.
No, less equals.
Okay.
Now you can run. Now it is printing. You can take this as I as 1, I less equals 5, I also I you can take. Not this working. One more thing left after while loop, like we have a switch case. Switch case and function, only two things left. Okay, then we'll start with our DevOps, Git and all, main DevOps tools and all. Okay, so only two things left. On Monday, we'll complete this and start with DevOps. Okay, so just it will take 10 minutes to explain two things, function and this switch. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay.
Thank you, Abhishek.
you.